financial planning is important for everyone. Long-term investment strategies are a core part of financial planning. Achieving life goals like your kids' higher education, early retirement, travel dreams, and reliable funds for emergencies require long-term investing. Let's look at 5 investment strategies that help you reach your long-term goals. Number 1. PPF. PPF का full form है Public Provident Funds. PPFs are one of the better long-term investment options because they are completely guaranteed by the Indian federal government, hence they are very safe. PPFs mature in 15 years. Therefore, you need a long-term horizon for investing in them. PPFs Triple E scheme है. Triple E का full form है Exempt, Exempt, Exempt. PPF में इन्वेस्ट किया गया प्रीमियम, कमाया हुआ इंटरेस्ट और फाइनल मैच्योरिटी अमाउंट सब टैक्स एग्जेम्प्ट है. नंबर 2. यूलिप. यूलिप्स का फुल फॉर्म है यूनिट लिंक्ड इंश्योरेंस प्लान. यूलिप्स एक ही स्कीम के अंदर इंश्योरेंस और इन्वेस्टमेंट्स की सुविधा देते हैं. A part of the premium is used for insurance cover and the remaining part is invested for capital appreciation. Number 3. Equity. Investing in equities directly is a great option if you are willing to devote some time to understand the financial markets and your risk appetite. Equities offer a lot of flexible investing options and potential for attractive yields. Conservative investors can look to invest in large cap companies, while people comfortable with higher risk can look towards small cap companies. Number 4. Mutual funds. Mutual funds are a great way to enjoy the great yields of the financial market while also maintaining a hands-off approach. Mutual funds distribute the investments across equity and debt instruments based on the risk appetite of the investors. Here are all the options in one place. Take a screenshot for future references. Final 3 things to keep in mind as you invest. Number 1. Use SIP. SIP stands for Systematic Investment Plan. SIP investments involve regular monthly withdrawals. They help you make an investing habit. SIP investments also help you buy less in the expensive bull market and more in the affordable bear market. Number 2. Regularly review your investments. Number 3. Start investing early to benefit from compounding gains. Do remember, everyone can invest regardless of their age and financial goals.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.